Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Pretty cool little graphic using the blend tool and pretty easy to draw. A lot of ways to draw this shape, but I'm going to draw a 2-point line. I'm going to select both nodes. I'm going to right click and turn it to a curve. I could also gone up here and turn it to a curve. Grab that top one, and then this is where your artistic ability. You want it sharp on top, you want it flat across the top. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and while holding down the control button. Now, do not group those together or weld them. You got two objects selected. We're going to go to Effects and Blend, and we're going to blend 20 times. I'm going to go ahead and make them yellow. But what I also want to do, let me back up here. Before we do that, I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and make a copy of that. You'll see why in just a second, hopefully. Now I'm going to blend this, go ahead and make it yellow. I'm going to go ahead and go to Object and break the blend apart. Then I'm going to go to Object and group it together. And I'm going to do this two different ways. I'm going to Control D, moving the rotation of that node, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. And then Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now I'm not going to move this. I'm going to nudge it out of the way. And if you look, that's what we have. Now it'd be nice to go 22.5 degrees, but it'll hit each other, I'm pretty sure. So we're going to take this one and I'm going to rotate it. Hopefully this will work. I'm going to rotate it 22.5 degrees. So that little bit that is, well, you know what? It's not really even touching. I should have made well, it's touching a little bit, so you'll get the idea. Lost my train of thought. I'm going to go up here. I'm trying to get that cut out of the way. Let me turn that no fill and take it right. That way we can see the lines. Now, because we've ungrouped it, I can take my virtual segment delete key. See, I'm just one line over. So it's not that big a deal. But that line is not going to be in the way anymore. So I'm going to left click, turn them yellow. And then I Control D, put it on that node and rotate it at 22.5 degrees. And then that way there's not a double line there. And I'm just Control D all the way around. Let's make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to group it. And then I'm going to grab it with the shift tool and make it smaller. Now, the only problem with that, my lines are going to be, well, they're not too bad. That's pretty spectacular. And see, there's no double lines because we took that one line away. I kind of like them both, just whatever your preference is. And see, like on this one, I had kind of like a peak, where this one I've got like more of a round top. Anyway, just playing around. And you can blend more or less times and have your own unique product. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.